So the next one is form controls must have labels. If we check this and we go to details to look at the elements that are in violation, and we click an element and click inspect element, we'll find that some of these elements are ones that we haven't added labels to because they're part of SelectEyes and we don't have as much control over them. But then we're also showing ones where our labels which we hid using CSS are not being registered. So we could fix this by changing the way that we're hiding these labels to use the trick where we set it to an absolute position and then give it a large left margin. So let's see if that fixes it. I'm going to jump back to our editor and I'm going to go to our searchform.sas file. And for our label here, let's set the position to be absolute and the left to be negative 999 pixels like we did before. We'll save this, and then let's also do the same thing for our contact form where we have the is hidden here. And I'm getting the feeling because we're repeating this several places that it might be good as a placeholder selector that we extend in each one of these places. But for now I'm going to just put it in manually. We'll save this. I'll jump back to the browser and refresh, and let's look at this labels issue again. And it looks like our only two violations now are in the autocomplete inputs inside of our SelectEyes inputs. Okay, so we're good to go there.